Hello everyone, my name is Gavin, and this will be a video on how to start up a different Blender file using just Python in the Blender game engine. And I'm just going to get started. So to start off, what you want to do is you file and save, and you want to save your Blender file to a folder, and make sure both of these Blender files are in the same one. So I'm going to save this as gameproject.blend, and do file and save, do file and new, and on this new one I'm going to save it as gameproject2.blend. Now on this gameproject2.blend, I'm going to go from defaults to game logic and from Blender render to Blender game. Hit X delete on this cube and do spacebar and then add a cylinder like this. Add a cylinder. Hit 0 to go into our camera view, and on our cylinder what we're going to do is add a keyboard sensor. I'll name it a space, and we'll put the spacebar key in tap like this. Minimize that and add a Python controller like this and control it to your keyboard sensor. Let's do templates Python and then game logic simple to add a new script. Delete the portion I've highlighted like this and hit control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger. I'll call this script as startgame.py and I'll connect it like this. And what we need to do is define the path to where our other file is. So I'm going to do from BGE imports logic, and we're going to have path is going to equal logic dot expands path like this. And what we're going to do is I'll hit control and scroll out, is we're going to say pretty much if we press the space bar and it runs the script, we're going to do bge.logic.startGame. I'll do path plus, and then we're going to do game projects.blend, because if you remember, that was the name of our first game project.blend was the name of our script right there, or the name of our other Blender file. I'll do file and save like this, and what should happen is if I hit P and hit the spacebar, it'll switch to the other Blender file. Okay, one thing I might want to add is that this will still work if you take off the BGE because we've imported logic right here. So if we hit play now, you'll see it still switches. Okay guys, that is how you switch game files with Python in the Blender game engine. I hope you guys find that very useful.